am back. Welcome back to Alvina and Alina's channel. Have you seen my sister's Arduino video? Even I learned something using Arduino. I'll glow 3 LED lights. This is actually part 1. The part 2 is coming on the train. So let us start. So I am on my screen, Google Chrome. So now I'll type TinkerCad. I repeat once again, TinkerCad. Spelling TinkerCAD. If you write .com, it will come something. So write just TinkerCad. So now you need to go to sign in. So it's loading. Okay, we have here actually 4. One is design, one is circuit, one is float box, and one is lesson. So we'll just go to circuit and create a new circuit. So it's loaded. So I'll just go down. So this is an Arduino. Let me take it. So let me take 1, 2, and 3. So let me take the color change. So I need to green. I'm so. So and cathode to GND means ground, and anode to any number. Not if you write 0, it can't do it. So when here we have G and D. So then anode to 4. It need to be 2. So now we'll go to code. So here will come something. So let me just delete it. So here is output set volt LED. So let me put 1 set volt LED, set pen and control, and over here which where I need to do it 6. Which anode it will be the number you need to do it. So let me duplicate it. So 6, it need to be 4. So let me duplicate it. Now it need to be 2. Okay. Then the code is over. So if we hide the code and start simulation. See, the all lights glows. Thanks for watching this video.